There was once a girl who lived in a small hut. She was not the fairest of the land, but she was known to be the best weaver in the county. She would weave hats and gloves, tapestries, and dolls. People would come from far and wide with yarn, but when they came to get their weavings done, they barely acknowledged the girl, leaving her feeling isolated and alone. One morning, as she started getting ready for the day, she looked at the mirror to find that there was a spider web covering a corner of the mirror. When the girl looked, the blemishes and flaws were faded away and eyes bigger, her face slightly altered to make it beautiful. The girl gasped in surprise and looked around for the spider that produced this beautiful web. As the girl approached, the spider spiraled down. "Hello, spider. I am a weaver, and I was hoping you could help me by giving me some of your beautiful thread to weave with." The spider looked at her carefully and replied, "Yes, my girl, I will give you as much thread as you need, but heed my words. This thread has a vain power that takes over humans in a frightful way. Do not fall into the deception of this thread. Think wisely before who you are before you are consumed." The girl thanked the spider and immediately began weaving. From the silvery thread, she soon crafted a beautiful curtain as she draped over the mirror. She looked out in shock. It was not that she could not recognize herself, but her hidden features were accentuated and scars or blemishes disappeared. The comments she received from her customers were blossoms that bloomed in her heart. Thereafter, she worked every day, becoming more and more dependent on its powers. One day, when the weaver girl was about to go out, the spider called out to her from the corner. "Please listen to my words. I am happy that you are approving of my thread and that you are using it, but you must love yourself for all that you are. Do not use the veil anymore, otherwise you would be unhappy." The weaver girl disregarded the spider's words and continued to the market. However, as she walked through the market, the wind picked up and blew the veil away, revealing the weaver girl as her original self. She was aghast and felt embarrassed and vulnerable when she felt a tap on her shoulder. She turned around to find a girl, not too much younger than herself, with the veil in hand. The weaver girl received it gratefully and was about to put it back on when the younger girl said, "I see the power in that veil, but you should not use it if you do not understand your original beauty first, because you are wonderful the way you are." The weaver looked at the girl and thought back to what the spider had said. Despite her insecurities, she folded the veil and placed it at the bottom of her